How to return Walmart online order. Let's get started. First, launch your Walmart app, or also you can log in to your Walmart account in the web version. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now click on three bars given at the top left corner. Navigate to the option My Purchase History. You will be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your orders. Browse through your orders and click on the one you would like to return. You will see a list of items within the order. Click Return next to the product you are sending back. Walmart will prompt you to choose a reason for the return. Example: defective, doesn't fit, wrong item, etc. Select the one that fits your situation. Now you can return your Walmart order in a few ways: return by mail or return to Walmart store. If you are returning via mail, Walmart will generate a prepaid return label, print it out and attach to your package. Drop the package off at a shipping location depending on what's specified. If you prefer a quicker solution, you can return the item in person at a Walmart store. You can often skip the box and just bring the item and your order receipt. If you are mailing it back, make sure to pack the item securely, ideally in its original packaging with all accessories and tags included. For in-store returns, just bring the item and ensure it's in sellable condition. Once Walmart receives your return, they will process a refund to your original payment method. This can take a few business days depending on the return method. For most items, you have 90 days from the purchase date to return them. And that's it. Returning a Walmart order is a quick, pain-free process as long as you follow these steps. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.